make sense. Tim Scam blasted Jerry out here so we could take Jerry's place and gain access to Whoop.
We've got to get to Jerry before he runs out of oxygen.
But how are we supposed to get over to him?
Wait, I've got it.
Great idea. What's your idea?
I'm gonna use the tornado in a can to give us a little kick. Oops. Guess I had the can turned the wrong way.
We did it! We hooked up to Jerry's pod.
Now take us back to the mothership.
I'm pretty ready to proof of this AI you have, because those characters don't seem normal at all.